The March 881 was a Formula One racing car designed by Adrian Newey and raced by March Racing Team in the 1988 season by Italian Ivan Capelli and the debuting Maurício Gugelmin from Brazil. The car's best result was a second place driven by Capelli at the 1988 Portuguese Grand Prix. 1988. The March 881 used the then-new to Formula One Judd V8 engine, and was consistently the fastest speed-trapped ATMO car of the 1988 season, with Capelli clocked at a class fastest 312 km/h on the first straight at Hockenheim for the German Grand Prix. Capelli and his March 881 was the only non-turbo car driver combination in 1988 to actually lead a Grand Prix, when he briefly took the lead from Alain Prost in his McLaren Honda as they crossed the start-finish line on lap 16 of the Japanese Grand Prix at Suzuka. This was also the first time since the 1983 season that a naturally aspirated car had led a Formula One Grand Prix. Capelli finished the season in 7th place with 17 points, while Gugelmin generally impressed most by finished his debut season in 13th place with 5 points. March finished the year 6th in the Constructors' Championship with 22 points. 1989, with the new March CG 891 only being completed in time for the 1989 Monaco Grand Prix, the team were forced to use the 881 for the first two races in 1989. Gugelmin finished a magnificent third at his home Grand Prix in the old 881 in the opening race of the season, only 9.3 seconds behind the V12 Ferrari of winner Nigel Mansell, and only 1.5 seconds behind the Honda V10-powered McLaren of Alain Prost. However, these would prove to be his and the team's only points of 1989, as the CG 891 was off the pace and often unreliable. Complete Formula One results. All 4 points in 1989 scored using the March 881.